Hello there, welcome to Nerd.World Films. Today, in this episode, we explore the afterlife of Slimer, the entity encountered by the Ghostbusters on the 12th floor of the Sedgwick Hotel, comprised of pure ectoplasm. He was identified by his nickname Slimer because of his propensity for anything that he touched to leave a green ectoplasmic ooze coating all over it. Who Slimer was in life we may never know, although according to some legends he was a gangster who lost his legs, which is why he was left as a floating, spud-like green entity. Slimer, though, was a peaceful and generally harmless entity, with an insatiable appetite for life and a hunger for warm hugs. Today we're going to look at the sad and perhaps a little tragic story of Slimer, the little spud ghost. He had the distinction of being the first ghost ever captured by the Ghostbusters. He had for a long time haunted the Sedgwick Hotel, and they'd been able to keep his presence secret. He only occasionally manifested to steal small amounts of food and generally make a pest of himself on the 12th floor, rarely venturing beyond it. But with the coming of Gozer, this seemed to aggravate and cause Slimer to become more active than usual, resulting in the hotel's management no longer being able to hide his presence. As a result, they were forced to call in the Ghostbusters to deal with this growing problem of this ectoplasmic menace. They were able to corner Slimer and forcibly imprison him in a trap and then install his essence within a man-made prison for the afterlife, known as the containment unit. Though Slimer would later gain his freedom when the containment unit was shut down irresponsibly by Walter Peck, he was not recaptured by the Ghostbusters and would go on to be free, and now instead of haunting merely the 12th floor of a single hotel, he would roam the city, getting food where he could, eking out a meager existence on the streets of New York City like all the other disenfranchised homeless. He would later actually aid the Ghostbusters, however, clearly showing his forgiving side, that he was magnanimous in defeat, aiding a Ghostbuster, Louis Tully, by driving him to the scene where a powerful entity had encased a museum in pure ectoplasmic, raw hatred. In doing so, he helped defeat a dangerous and powerful malevolent entity, perhaps showing that in reality, even if he was perhaps a gangster in real life, he wasn't now. In the final analysis, what we can learn of Slimer was that he was a good-natured and kind soul who just wanted to eat. He never hurt a fly unless he ate it, and bared no malice towards those that falsely and without trial and without justice or reason falsely imprisoned him for seemingly no crimes, and he was still able to forgive them. I think we can all learn something from Slimer. Forgiveness. Thank you for watching that video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and please see my other biographies. Bye bye.